Hello guys, so I've been seeing a lot of this is how you should post. Don't post using public, don't post using unlisted, post using schedule or whatever. But what I'm going to tell you is they are right, but it is not that deep, in the sense that you can actually upload your video by going to YouTube itself and clicking on the plus sign and uploading. But when you are uploading and you've written your title, put your thumbnail and your description, and add your video to your playlist, I hope you know what playlist is, then just put it in private, because there are things that you need to do before you click upload. Do you get? You can go to your YouTube app and do what I just said now. Then when you put it in private, you then go to your YouTube Studio desktop. You then use your Chrome or whatever you have. You go to your content. So I'm going to make a screen record so that you guys will see what I'm doing. So when you get to where your channel content is at, you are going to see the video that you've privated. I'm just going to be using this video that I already uploaded today as an example. This is already public, the visibility is public, but normally you will see it as private. You click on it, and while you're using this video is I've not added the necessary things that I want to show you except my playlist. So you see my description, you see that I added it to like all the playlists I want to add it to. So you're supposed to add your video to a playlist. Like, playlist is very important. I don't know, it's very important. It helps with your watch hour, because you can send the link of all your playlists that contains all your video to someone to stream, or you can even stream using another account, and the watch hour will, you know, keep climbing up. You just need to clear your history when you are done. So that one is, by the way, you tap on show more, and you add tags. It's not important, it's not as important as hashtag, but you can add tags. So for the sake of this video, let me add tag. How much YouTube pays so let's just add one tag. It's not that important to me, like it's not important. YouTube already said it. So you check every other thing and make sure that you are, you know, categorizing your video well. This channel is educational channel. You post educational content, so the category is supposed to be education. If your own is how to, put it under how to. There are other things that is there for you to click on in that category. So after that, the next thing is your end screen and your cards. So end screen, you click on it, and those are the 2 to 4, you know, video, shall I call it, pictures that you see. That's your thumbnail that you see at the end of a video that you're watching. So there are different templates that you can choose from. You can choose one of 2, 1, or you can even do more than 1, but I like doing 2. As you can see, I adjust it, click on it. You can let YouTube choose what is best for you, but you can also choose yourself. So I'm going to choose 1, and another one of my viral video. I like adding my viral video in my newer video to help it. So when you are done with that, you save, and then for your card, those are the things that will show at the top part of your video, that will just come in like this. And then sometimes you see the creator saying, watch this video to further understand what I'm trying to say, and I saw something like that. So I'm going to click on it. So when you are done clicking on it, you can move this around where you want the card to appear in. I'm going to move it anyway, and add a video. You can even add your playlist to it. So just be very, you know, creative about it. So this part where I even talked about, you know, watch this video to see all the analytics, I can click and add the video I was referring to, so people can actually like be able to click and watch immediately. That's the fun thing about it. So it is like you are giving your video more eyes, more views. So I'm trying to scroll. Okay, this is it. When you get to this particular point, it will pop up like you can see here. Yeah, how much YouTube pay. That's how it comes up in your video. Anyways, you can put as many cards as you want, but this 2 is enough for the sake of this video. And then you can hit public. Do you get? There are some people that you have to save first, or else all what you've done out to the door. So I see some people say, oh, you need to schedule the post so YouTube will understand what you are doing. You can as well upload your video and YouTube will still understand what the video is about. That's why I tell people that don't share your link. Let YouTube understand the video and gradually share it out to your subscribers or to people that are looking for that video, that will be interested in that video. So you don't have to schedule. When you schedule is when you want to just schedule. You know what scheduling is? You want your video to come out a particular time. That's what it does. I don't think you scheduling it helps YouTube to understand your video first. Understanding that they will do. It's when you publish it and then they understand that, oh, this is what the video is about. Okay, let's share it there. Let's share it to the subscribers first. Okay, the subscribers are enjoying it, let's give it to more people. They need to know what the video is about. You've private it. Yes, YouTube is YouTube, but you don't have access to your account. But anyways, that's from my experience what I've noticed, because I've also tried, oh, let me schedule it, because then you hear people saying different things, you have to get views, and then you try different things, I be like, oh, this is actually not right, because it did not work. So anyways, that's that about whether you should hit the publish when you want to upload your video on YouTube, or you should not. I hope you'll be able to learn a lot. If you have any video you want me to talk about, throw them in the comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.